This is probably the most bullish look of the market you're going to see right now, because I mean, this is compelling, right? We're close to the trend line right now. It sits at about 61 if we were to touch it right now. And so, or yeah, just around 61. And so now I want to show you where where the resistance level is and form a bit of a structure, right? So obviously at the very basic level, a breakout, or at least an attempt of a breakout, would look something like clearing that 87K level, that 83K level, and breakdown gets us down here below, the 60K range. And obviously there are some things in there that we like to see, like our moving averages, that would also help define some of those levels. Specifically the 200-week moving average, which sits down here between 58 and 59K. That's been a long awaited target since we got down into this range. It's still holding for a while. So just in the bare basics, if we were to just chop through this structure for a while longer, and we absolutely can, right? The market is going to be forced to either break out or break down from this structure sometime before mid-June.